All right, y'all, so this is my hair, and this was definitely a little more complicated than what I thought. The angles of the mirrors wasn't given, you know, but this is what I got. My lines ain't that straight or whatever, but I am doing it by myself, and I'm parting the hair by myself, and this is my first time actually doing these type of braids on myself. So I think for my first time, I think I did a great job. I mean, comment down below, let me know what you guys think, and then I hope to give you guys a more detailed video, and I want to just kind of play with this and see like what works for me, and it might work for some of y'all. But definitely watched a lot of videos and just kind of took a little bit of like each video that I watched to see like what can work for me. But like I said, my setup is very different, and if you don't have a great setup, and you know what I'm saying, like to part the back of your head was just a little too complicated, but I got it done. You know what I'm saying? It's looking cute. It's looking cute, and I'm probably gonna put it up and put these little things. But on top of that, my camera died halfway through the video, so, and if you guys love it, then gives it a thumbs up, and if you don't, then whatever.
Soldier boy on the beat.